Barbecue fam, today we're doing up something crazy. A jalapeno popper crescent roll ring on the slow and sear kettle, the 22-inch. Oh hell yeah, fire up your baskets. Let's get some crescent rolls popped open and fill it up with your favorite jalapeno popper cream cheese mixture. Oh hell yeah. So while the slow and sear kettle comes up to 375 degree-ish, up to 400, we will assemble this crescent roll ring. Time to build the mixture for the inside of this crescent roll ring. We're keeping the seeds in. We want some heat. Just a rough dice, totally fine. Keep them whole, whatever way you want to do it. Throw that all in there. We're gonna add in some shredded cheese. Use your favorite. I'm using Colby Jack. Just about a cup. So 1 cup Colby Jack shredded, 1 brick of cream cheese, and 4 jalapenos. We're gonna nail it with some Dirty Bird Hot from Cosmos. The Dirty Bird seasoning is one of the most versatile things that you can use on so many different cooks, and we just want a little more heat, so that's what we're adding. I'd say 2 tablespoons. Smear this in, blend it around best you can, and then we're going to lay out the crescent roll. One tip: pull your cream cheese out about an hour or 2 before you do this. You won't have this much problem. Holy. But it's alright, we'll get through. Grill's still coming up to temp anyway. We got time. So these damn gimmicks, just pull them and they just explode on you. Not everywhere, but they go boom. Boom! See? Craziest thing. I've never cooked with these up until like a month ago, and dude, they're handy. They are definitely fun to use. So you roll them out. So you want 2 rolls. Just tighten it up a little bit. Pat it all down, let's fill it up, roll it up, and then bam, we're getting ready. 375 on a dot with the ThermoWorks Smoke X4. I love that thing just for the ease of use, and this small probe for the grill grate. Gotta have that ambient temperature. One of the #1 things to have. Get that sucker out of here. I'm going to spread this around, make it as even as possible, and then roll it up. If you love jalapeno poppers, give me a thumbs up. Oh hell yeah. Let's roll it up. Pinch it in the middle. That's all we're doing here. This is an easy one, folks. And could do this for any occasion. Oh, lost a little bit. Tuck that right in there. Bam, bam. Shape it however you want, but that's rocking. Gonna be easy. We're throwing it in to the kettle at 375 for about half an hour, 45 minutes, but you want to check it a half an hour, see where we're at. Crack an egg, scramble it up, just brush it on. This is so we get a nice golden brown, and whatever rub you put on top will stick. Now hit it with the best rub from Cosmos Q, garlic jalapeno. Just a light dusting on there. Oh, hell yeah. into the slow and sear kettle at 375 for 30 to 45 minutes. This jalapeno popper crescent roll ring is done, and it smells amazing and looks great. Oh, hell yeah. We went 35 minutes, and the outside is perfect. That looks freaking amazing. Oh, hell yeah. I can't wait to cut into this, and there's so many possibilities with this recipe. Jalapeno popper ring, oh, hell yeah. Let's cut into this and give it a shot. It looks amazing. I am very impressed. What's that? Ooh. That looks freaking awesome. Amazing. Very, very awesome. That smells great. Let's give it a taste test. Bam. This is something you got to do. Friggin' any party you got going on. Oh, hell yeah. The jalapenos are still crispy. That dirty bird is hot. Oh, hell yeah. And the crescent roll is nice and crispy. Man, that's awesome. That's badass. Oh, hell yeah. You got to do this one. Super easy, super fun. Everybody's going to be wondering what's on the inside when you bring it on inside to the party. Oh, hell yeah.